Hi everyone, today I'm going to make this beautiful flower pot named as Sadia. It is dedicated to my friend. Let's start making. First of all, I'm going to make 8 single crochet in magic ring. Pull the end and now make a slip stitch into the first chain like this. In round 2, make one increase in every chain. I mean 2 single crochet in every chain. So total number of stitches will be 16. Round 3, chain 1, 1 single crochet in first chain, and into the second chain make 1 single crochet increase. It means 2 single crochet in one chain. And in this round this sequence will be followed: 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet increase. So complete all the round with same sequence. So I have completed round number 3. Chain 1, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and 1 single crochet increase like this. So I have 1 single crochet in 2 chain and 2 single crochet in 1 chain. Complete this round following 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and 1 single crochet increase. Chain 1, turn your work. Now make single crochet in back loop only. Watch carefully. Make single crochet in back loop only. Complete this round like this. It will make the base of pot. Now it's time to make a reverse, and now make 1 single crochet each in front loop only. Remember, you have to turn the work. Make a slip stitch here. In the coming round you have to do 3 single crochet in 3 chains and 2 single crochet into the fourth chain. So you have to repeat this pattern until round number 7 to 13. So all rounds are completed. In this round I am going to make some decreases. So make single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3, and now it's time to make one decrease. Watch carefully how to make a decrease, single crochet decrease. Make 3 loop on your crochet hook like this, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. This is called single crochet decrease. Again make 3 single crochet in 3 chains and make one decrease. So in this round you have to make some decreases after every three stitches. Okay, I have completed this round. It's time to make some designing on my pot. So skip first chain into the second chain, make 5 double crochet. If you guys are here and watching my video, don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe my channel. I need your support. The tulip flower and the leaf tutorial are on my channel. I will paste a link of these two videos in the description below. Go give a watch if you want to complete this pot flower pot. So repeating the pattern, skip one chain and into the next chain make 5 double crochet and again skip one chain and make a slip stitch into the next. Watch carefully, you will get the pattern. It's very easy and simple. Even beginners can do this. If you guys are new here, don't forget to visit my channel for very cute projects. If you have any requests, just let me know in the comment section below. So pot is completed. Don't forget to hide this leftover yarn with needle inside of the pot. So it's coming out very beautiful. Let's start making soil for this pot. Soil making process is the same as the base of this pot. So I will start the first round. Magic ring, make 8 single crochet. I will write the pattern on my screen, you can follow there. So I have completed this soil for this beautiful. Now these are the special moments of my video. Guess what name I am going to write or embroider here. This video is dedicated to my bestie. Can you guess the name? If yes, just write down in the comment section. So it's time to plant the flower. And now it's completed. Look at this little tulip pot. I have named it after someone very special, Sadia. Every time I take care of it, it reminds me of a tiny little joy she is bringing into the world. This one just for you, Sadia, a little piece of happiness to celebrate your happiness.